We refuse to start. Should we just try Google Meet? Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me this evening. I'm sorry it took forever to start this stream. We had a bit of what do you call it? Technical. Let's just say glitch. But I'm trying to connect to Abiodun and I'm going to bring him on very soon. Just in the next 1 minute or so. Just stay around. Let's just set up everything. Okay. Let's see. I'm so tired. Let's see. All right. All right. You guys just give me a minute. I'm trying to connect Abiodun. This is my light, is it not too much like this? Right. All right. Sorry about that, guys. So today's stream is going to be very let's say a comment. Today's stream is going to be very packed. I promise you guys. I've been speaking with Abiodun and he has a lot of experience with making different things with AI, websites, videos, animations, even essays, right? So it's going to help you guys understand how you can optimize or utilize this tool. Just is going to join us very soon. Um, Now I can't even play music while we wait because the last time I streamed on YouTube and I played music in the background, YouTube blocked the video partially. There was a copyright claim on it. Most of it by the video because I played a lot of his songs. But let's see. Okay, Abiodun is almost here. You guys is trying to join like right now as we speak. Let me know if my audio is good, guys, please. I don't want to fool myself here. And please subscribe to this channel. Wanna support our boy as we just try. You get. Let me drop a comment. Please subscribe. Let me pin that. Okay. Abiodun just sent me a text. Alright. We're so close, guys. So close. Man, so we tried using Zoom to get Abiodun on the stream, but man, it's really difficult. It is very difficult. Okay, I think my mic was low before. Yo, okay, I can hear you now. Okay, I can hear you now. Can you hear me? I can hear you crystal clear. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Sorry guys, I know you can't see this yet. Abiodun is trying to join with Google Meet since what's it called? Zoom failed us. So he's trying to join with with Google Meet. I'm going to try and so I'm trying to make sure I can hear you. Can you hear me? Oh, okay. So let me try and I already told people that you were trying to connect because I started the stream already. So let me connect this to OBS and bring it on. You can start sharing your screen so you don't have to start struggling with that once I add you to the stream. Guys, stick with me. Let me just. One sec. One sec. Okay. I think we are almost there. Let me see if. I want to try and put this at full screen. So. Okay, Abiodun, we are good to go now. We are good to go. Hold up. Can you say something? Are you still with me? Your mic is muted. Maybe that's the problem. Your mic, it's muted. You guys, I know this is let me see. Okay, awesome. I can see your screen, but your mic is still muted. Guys, let me try and bring on this man now. I can hear you. You are going to activate your video, right? Is it? Okay. That. I can see it. It's there. Just, hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. Sorry. This. Okay. Alright, guys, Abiodun is on the other end of the stream now. I'm going to transfer him over. Just one sec. Okay. Oh boy. Let's see. Okay, transferring you over now.
Okay.
Uh, all right, you're on, guys. Please welcome Abiodun. All right, Abiodun, you have the floor.
Good evening, everyone. Thank.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Hello, are you still there?
I am here with you. Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
Can you hear me? Yeah. Good evening, everyone. My name is Abiodun Adeoba. I'm a digital media strategist. And I just recently got my role as a software product manager. So thank you for having me, Dotson. I know we've been trying to battle the tech technical issues and all. So without wasting much of our time, um, the title for this stream is using AI to create some amazing content, and also to enhance your content skills at the end of the day. So there must be this notion in the space that AI is here to take over our jobs and whatnot. But I say to people that you need to just be that AI prompter. You need to be the person that controls that AI, because the AI is like a tool for us to make our work as easy as possible, right? End of the day, I will just demo like two of these tools that I use on a daily basis. So the first one is this one that I'm sharing right now. There are two of them, but I'll give you the hints in the comment section. So you people should like, subscribe, and please follow my guy's content. It's here to actually shake the culture. So I have a prompt right now on Lovable. Lovable is an AI that helps you create a website in a jiffy. All you need to do is just to prompt it properly. So what I'm doing right now is I am saying, please create me a landing page for a movie ticketing for Ozone Cinema. Give me a cinematic background and design. This is just a demo, actually. Then I actually copied the link of the website on air to give me something that looks like this. So I am going to hit send. So I'm not actually copying the whole content of this website. I'm just trying as much as possible to make it give me something that looks like this. And as a content creator, you need to have your own portfolio website. You can start with this. It's going to create your portfolio website where you get to upload some videos and pictures of what you've done in the past, some links to what you've done in the past. This is going to help you create it. Wait, hold on. I think it's going through. This thing is it loading? Just it's create it. Okay, so this that prompt didn't go through, so it's just going right now. So it's prompting. So what this is doing is,
Never,
are you with
never,
me? Can you hear
never
me?
they carry life for stream. Please go ahead. I'll just make your this thing the full
We are
the
in
full footage.
Nigeria. Okay, okay, okay. We are in Nigeria. It just shows that it just shows that you are still in Nigeria. We are all in Nigeria. So what this is doing
Selling.
right now is that is going through the software development processes. That's why you can see most of the thing that it's doing, trying to connect to Superbase back end, trying to deploy when you're ready, trying to put a lot of things, the techie things into this. So what this is doing is that it's already writing the script for you, writing the cascading style sheets, writing the HTML, writing the JavaScript for you to make sure that this website makes a lot of sense. Yes, it's not so perfect, but what can make this perfect is your prompts. So I'm using the free trial version, and what this can give you to prompt the AI 7 times a day. So in case you think that you want to like try it out, you could test this and try it out. But the only thing I just say is that if you really want to use it properly, and yeah, I encourage you to upgrade. It's not so expensive. It's $20 per month, but um at the end of the day, you could try it first before you pay for the upgrading. So if you want to enjoy this, you need to prompt it very well. Not just what I prompted here. Help me create a movie ticketing website. No name of the website, no logo. Because here underneath here you could add you could literally attach whatever file it is you want to attach to it, and it's going to put the files wherever you told it to put it to. Also, the content of the website, you will put it right under the prompt. How many, what's the website architecture? What do you want the website architecture to look like? The menu, the contact us page, the projects or whatever we offer kind of page. Anything you want to have on your page, you just put it here, and this AI does the job for you. It's just still spinning. I don't know why it's still spinning. But yeah, it's writing the code. If it's a real engineer that is writing it at the moment, how many years they're going to take to actually do this in just a single click. So it's still trying to put everything together. Yeah, let's just make it. So yeah. So let's see the magic this is creating. Okay. Where's the magic? Where's the magic? Okay. So here it is. So this is what AI created for us. Cinema. You have the home page, you have the movie tickets, you have the theaters, that's halls, and this is where you can view your tickets. And this is just a single prompt. So what you need to do from here is that you need to, this is the hero page session. You need to, put what you want to be here. Is this the words you want to use? Are these the call to actions you want to use? These are the now showing matrix loaded digit streams, just putting this just what you're showing. This is whatever movies they've played before and whatnot. But this is what he has created the theme for you, right? He has created the code for you. All you need to do now is that now if you see underneath my screen, you can see zero free credits remaining. I've used some in the past. What I did was I created For my church, I created a web app for him. So most of our hymn is on. Let me see if I can get it. Go to that word. What do I have? Where's this nine? So this is what I've done. This is the ozone, the one we just created now, and this is what I did for my church. So what I did for my church is I literally put all the hymns. Yeah, you can see. So this is the last prompt I gave it. I'm trying to like make it better. So he created this logo for me. So he's going to give you feedback. I've successfully implemented your request with all the provided hymns properly numbered and organized, plus added the about us and gallery pages. That this is what I told it to do. And here we have it. Browse him, featured him about our parish gallery and whatnot. So I just need to further so I could search for hymns. Here they are, and it did something. So this is Yoruba version, right? I prompted it to actually translate the same hymn in English. So all you need to do is just to click here, and automatically yeah, this is English. It changes it to Yoruba. So it changes all the hymns like that to Yoruba. So this is just one of the apps. There's another one that I would recommend, both.ai. Um, both.new rather, both not new. It's also like lovable, but they do the same thing basically. But it also offers free trial. So if you're watching this right now, get your system up and try these AI tools that can get you there. So another one I want to show you today is the amazing Google View 3. I've been using this for a while now. Yes, I'm using a trial version, but what I did is I added my dollar card. Let me present something else. Yes, Gemini. So Gemini launched not quite long. Um, it's owned by Google, and they have a video AI creation tool called View 3. It's actually included in Gemini. And what I want to do now is I want to create. Trying now. Okay, yeah. So can you see my Delton, can you see my Gemini screen? Okay, so what I want to do now is let's play around kindly. Okay, so if you want to perfect your prompts, right? You go to ChatGPT to give you a very good prompt. So let me see. Let me go to ChatGPT. Share this tab. New chat. Okay. Please kindly create a script. A young man origin. Yes. So no, I didn't get what I want. He gave me the script. Make use of this. Okay. So okay, let's do this. A young, energetic African man vlogging. Sorry, let's a second. So we go back to here. And we come. So yes, let's prompt this. So it takes about 1 to 2 minutes to get done. So for view three, it just picks your brain, right? If you don't want to go to ChatGPT, it's quite all right. But I just feel ChatGPT will help you express yourself more. And the better your prompts, the better video this view three gives you. So I am a publisher of Osh magazine, and I had this idea of making Marvel, the Marvel character from Ant-Man to Captain America to Hulk. A lot of these characters hold my magazine and tell and say they actually love reading this magazine. So I combined these videos together, and they gave me. Let me see if I can share it. I think I have. Yeah, I have. While this one is doing, let me just show you. Um, I'm not sure if this thing is going to do that. Okay, so this is one of the video. Orc, do me a video of Orc jumping into the market in his big size in Lagos, saying they love reading Osh. It is next for. Okay. Oh, network. I think this one is ready. So please don't do me that thing. So yeah, I'm also, like I said, I'm also using a free version. I connected my dollar card to this, and you can only generate three 8-second video in a day. So in a week, you can do 8 times, 3 times 7. So you can do 21 videos. So you can actually shoot a full movie. Because I don't know why this thing is not. I don't know why this is not showing. This could be my network. Dawson, can you hear me?
Your video is ready.
Yeah, saying my video is ready, but this thing is not playing. It's loading right here. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so I mean, this is not good. This is not so good. But I just shown what I needed it to show me. So we see the amazing thing of a young African man vlogging on the street of Lagos. Oh, it's sad. This is some of the problem we have in Africa, to be honest. Can't imagine I'm connected to 5G Airtel and this is happening. Okay, so I think I will just wait while this loads up. When Let me just move to another AI that I use and I would like to recommend to people. So this AI is called Phantom Buster, for specifically for marketing people. So what Phantom Buster does is, let me share. He helps you script leads. He helps you with some automation. You can automate Phantom. You can combine Phantom Buster and Zapier to create an amazing workflow. So what Phantom Buster does is that he helps you extract leads on okay, I think the video is ready. Is there a way to send you this video? Or can I play it? Let me see if I can play it. Okay, let me see, open it. Let me just see. I can just share my screen since I'm still on. Okay. Then okay, let me just share my screen. Uh, what am I showing? Yeah, can you see my screen? Yeah. So so just I mean, okay. So yeah.
Energy and don't get rival. Let's go. Yo, it's your boy live from the hard.
So here we go. This is what he gave me. And if I'm not satisfied, I could, try to clean up. This is just a demo. So it can give you amazing videos. And, this is not even very detailed, just as short as it is. But we could make it very, very detailed. The downfalls, if you want tricycle and, whatnot at the end of the day. So this is what AI can give you. And you can use this in several ways. You can use it to market. For instance, View 3 can create models holding your, what if you're into skincare or you have some products you currently have that you want to market out, you could use this to create a video for marketing of your product. So here you could actually you could. But one thing Gemini or View 3 won't do is that there's no way you can upload a picture of somebody and it then creates that person to talk. Although there are some other AI that does that. Probably I'm thinking of maybe doing starting an AI course, and I have bunch of them that can do that. But for now, Gemini can only create video from your sorry, View 3 can only create video from your prompt. That's what it does. So I was talking about the superheroes holding my stuff, holding my magazine, and doing all sort of stunts. So I think if we can load faster, or if you can't, and we just move to Phantom Buster. Okay, so it's not loading. So let me just move to Phantom Buster so that I can get out. Yeah, share the stuff. Okay, so like I said, these are the solutions of Phantom Buster. Um, where am I? Go back again. So lead extraction, list enrichment, LinkedIn outreach. So what it does is it's going to connect to your Salesforce on LinkedIn. You can search for um, as many job titles as possible. It's going to okay. Let me see if I can do something for sure. Let me see if I can do something. I want to start a free trial. So for the purpose of demo, so that it doesn't look like mm, this. Well, I'm not sure about this. Okay, I'm trying to sign up just to demo. But this guy does some amazing work. Like his crap leads from LinkedIn, and you just bring it down to an Excel sheet, and you start reaching out to people. Then he also automates. He helps you guy. Let me just put random stuff. Oh my god. 13%. So what are my goals? You know, find and extract leads. Let's say LinkedIn. Next. So it also helps you send DMs, right? Like I said, it's an automation. You can create an automation, right? And it helps you do the whole thing. See, build your leads from scraping LinkedIn searches. Build your leads by scraping sales navigator searches. Let's see the LinkedIn one. If I can do this. After searching for them, you should start sending them messages automated. Hi, my name is Dotun. Please subscribe to my channel. I have some amazing content. You can actually advertise your product here. We have very rich audience. Okay, I understand. It can take up to 15 seconds. I think this is the only one I'll be demoing because of my battery. Nigeria has happened to me. Oh, let me just connect to. Thank you very much. What are the mm, okay, so I'm not going to say I'm going to talk about the that part, but what I can say is that I'm not going to come from that angle. Dangerous. So these guys were made by human beings and they are artificial intelligence, right? And what they are meant to do is we are training them. All these things that we are training them. The parts that I just feel worried about is that people would start to be very lazy. I mean, imagine if I want to prompt VO3 and I have to go and get the prompt from ChatGPT. You know how lazy that can be? Very, very lazy. Everybody will become very, very lazy. And these guys will now be the ones doing the whole thing for us, scrapping information. I don't even go to Google anymore. Like, that time, Google it, Google it. No, I don't Google nothing no more. If I need anything, I'll go to my AI guy. Alpha. I can speak to my AI in Pidgin. I can speak to my AI in Yoruba. I mean, ChatGPT is not getting there that you can actually speak to you in Yoruba. I mean, I've trained my model and it can speak to me in Yoruba at the end of the day. So the more you train it, the better it becomes. But the part where it becomes dangerous is when you start putting very, very useful information on these platforms. And when you start doing that, you're exposing whatever it is that you're putting there, maybe your brand information or your personal details. Because cyber security is a very big thing. And when we talk about cybersecurity, it's quite huge. We've seen the likes of some big guys that people tend to break into BTC as encrypted as BTC wallets could be or crypto wallets. You know how encrypted it could be, and people still break into that to get some people's coins, steal it, and wire it somewhere else. So not to now talk of something that is exactly. I mean, just the best advice for you is don't put so much information that you don't want to see out there. And whilst you are also trying to use artificial intelligence, they have glitches. Yeah. I work with Ospace Cloud Solution. It's the what we do is that we make sure that cloud infrastructure in Africa is quite available. There are data centers in Nigeria and some part of Africa and Europe. And we had a session on Twitter Space about AI automation gone wrong. People should start discussing. Yes, it does go wrong because sometimes you might just leave it and think it can, do the magic, and at the end of the day, it goes south. There was one I used when I was trying to like search for tools that I could just use and get my job easier. I got one browser extension like that. I've forgotten the name. So what I did is that I signed in my Slack. So I wanted, it's a community, Slack community. So I wanted to revive that community, but it was too much. I was getting lazy. And it's not so easy to start messaging people one after the other. So I wanted an automation, a workflow that can work for me. And I prompted it to send everything to people the way I had told it to send to people. In my presence, he was sending it. I sent to the first person, sent to the second person, sent to the third person. I'm like, good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. I just said I should go to the kitchen and come back. He started sending rubbish, 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 rubbish. I'm like, what? I had to end it, now go back manually, delete it, and started sending manually. So I believe that, say, maybe the beta version of that one was not, there are a lot of bugs to be fixed on that software. But yeah, there are a lot of people with a lot of experiences that automation might have gone wrong. Although automation is helping our day-to-day lifestyle, from marketing to a whole lot. So I wouldn't see more of danger. I would see more of learning curve. I'll see more of opportunities that people should try to grab. I mean, you can actually become an AI web designer from this if you have amazing prompts. Yeah, this is, you're just going to be paying $20 and you're going to connect to the super base and the domain, and you have a website that is working. In fact, you have a backend that is working. You charge your client as much as 400,000, 500,000. All you are spending is less than maybe 100,000 or so. I mean, depending on how you can prompt, though. For me, I have a background of website design, so it's easier for me I know what to do. I could even go to the script and say, okay, you know what, oh yeah, change this script like this, change this script like this. I mean, the cascading stylings, scripts, that's the CSS. So I have the knowledge of that, and this is easier for me because I know that, okay, this is where it's going wrong. Okay, let me just tell this thing to do this, to do that. So yeah, basically I see more of opportunities than danger. So I think I'll be stopping here because my battery is going south. I'm still in Nigeria. If my helper is on your stream, please, I'm open to be an LP. Thank you very much, D, for this wonderful moment. I would like to come on again. I still have some list of AIs. Maybe this can be a part one. Then we can have a part two. I have a lot. Maybe I can then demo this Phantom Booster. Maybe you can do like a concentrated one on email marketing, workflow for, if you are a salesperson or you're a marketing person. I could just help you look for list of workflow that could work for you, and you could Zapier it and everything goes as planned. So we could do that. Same with this our Gemini, the View 3. We could combine the likes of View 3 and the prompts you get from ChatGPT and create a movie together, all of us. So yeah, we could have that concentrated. But let's take this as an introductory call, and yeah, 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 yeah. So if you allow me, I wouldn't mind to leave.
Thank you so much. I'm really glad we had this session. I know it's not what we, what we had in mind, but it's still a very meaningful stream. And I'm sure a lot of people got some very useful information from this. Bro, I just found out that I did not change over to this thing. I've been on inverter, and the whole setup in the studio just drained the battery. Anyways, thank you so much, Abiodun, for coming on the stream today. We are super grateful that you made the time, that you took some time to join us here. I'm going to make sure we set
Thank
up
you very
another
much.
one. Yeah, I'm going to make sure we
I'll be
set
glad
up
to.
another one. Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much. I'm going to let you go now. Although I still had a few questions for you,
Thank you,
but
my boss.
since you are running out of battery, let's not try our luck.
Okay. I think you can drop it in the comment section. I can come back and just answer it then.
Okay, no wahala.
Abi?
No wahala,
But I
no
wouldn't
wahala.
mind to have another session, to be honest.
Yes.
There's a lot.
I feel like the very first thing we had in mind did not even work at all. So this is the second attempt. I feel like the third one will be better.
Exactly.
This was
God's grace.
the first stream we had in mind did not even happen at all. So that's okay.
Dead on arrival. Okay. Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah.
everybody. Please subscribe and follow my guy. He's doing amazing.
Now don't hear.
Thank you.
Please.
Guys. Bye.
Thank you so much, bro. All right, let's come back to my visual. I hope you guys learned something. I definitely did, even though I already knew some of those things. I I definitely learned something about that Gemini stuff. Just one sec, you guys. Àwàdé. Àwọn ọmọ tó sọ tí o ṣeré. Oh boy. Sorry about that, guys. So the rest of this stream is just going to be cruise and vibes. I feel like hosting a party on this stream itself, but hey, I'm worried about copyright issues on YouTube. But let's see what we can make happen. Okay. Let's see. First of all, oh boy. Okay. I need to close the setup we used for Abiodun. Alright, so guys, talk to me. We'll do Q&A for comment section. Raymond say may I give una Oshupa. I feel given our Shukpa, but I'm worried about copyright issue. Okay, you know what we'll do? Let's risk it. And I don't want to risk it though. Because YouTube is a very funny. Let me share screen. Pour me water, holy water. Oh baby, pour me water, holy water. I'm setting it up now. I'm going to share my screen and have some fun. Well, truly, I hope you guys gained something from that stream with Abiodun, because very soon you're going to be paying a lot of money to learn those things if you're not careful. Yes. Alright, I'm just going to place myself somewhere in the corner. Why pastor they show for this stream now? Who be this pastor? Apostle Joshua Suleiman. Okay, let's go. Don't be this video where they say this girl will deny her boyfriend.
Now, welcome. What's your name?
Becky.
Becky, of the school you in?
Yeah, 300 level.
What
No, I can't play that video. That CK song where I did go get copyright wahala. See, this is the problem with YouTube stream. Yes, you can rewatch it live. Like, I'm going to make sure it stays up. You can rewatch the live stream. Let me try. NEPA don't bring lights. Guys, please give me 1 minute. Let me go and change over. Beck. So I think I watched this video before. This lady, they said she denied her boyfriend. Now money now. You too not expect. All these things are normal. You see the video where she reacts, say the place where she do that video where she talks where she no get boyfriend or something like that. The place where she talk all those things. She person where they live for that kind of setting, and they talk say you no deny boyfriend. They bother on herself. Go possible, my dear. So I want to change the stream to what do you call it? I want to change the output mode to So I won't change this stream to phone format since we're not doing any deep. I swear, now better also no be the babe deny. But I also feel like that video of the guy that said is the boyfriend, I feel like that picture released, it looks like something they photoshopped. It be AI, but who knows? The point is, even if the guy not really the gay boyfriend, I know. see how happy she was with all those gifts now. You know, if she was with someone that could not give her that kind of stuff, this babes no get me again like that. You don't know, they disturbing herself. See now, see all the places where they carry and go. Person where they live for trenches. They say me no deny. Me go, me go have deny you. But on a serious note, though, we need to have a conversation around how hard it is for people to stay loyal in this country. It's worse in Lagos, but all of these places. Ó pọ̀ sí àgbáwo fẹnukò fún ẹ̀sùn sẹ́yìn amúrawa ṣoget àbínibí yàtọ̀ sábílítì. See now, and because of YouTube I mute most of this thing. See now the lifestyle. One no blame am. The lifestyle from of God. You know easy.
I just called to tell you to please stay away from my man.
Hello, are you kidding me? Who the hell are you?
Excuse me. I don't understand. Why can't you get your man? What?
You know I am. Please, can we meet somewhere and fight? What are we telling you?
This is Bolaji's girlfriend. I just called to tell you to please stay away from my man.
She said, "Can we meet somewhere and fight?"
Excuse me.
Yo.
Why can't you get your man? What?
Don't tell me that shit. You know I am. Please, can we meet somewhere and fight? What are we telling you?
Nah,
This is
that
Bolaji's.
shit is crazy. Can we meet somewhere and fight, bro? I'm going to go on TikTok and look for some.
I can't only speak in tongues, but I could use my tongue on other things like. Your eyes look good, but I would still like to turn them on.
Why?
I mean, if I take my tongue down there, it's going to grow wider. No other drip is as good as the one dripping down there.
Your father, your papa.
Then I would like you to tell me your name because that's what I would like
That
to do when
ruins
I'm
the video.
screaming. E-money.